everyone and welcome back to the channel. On May 15 we reached 10,000 subscribers, woohoo! And my channel now almost have 1 million views and I'm just so grateful for everyone that's watching and helped us get here and reach this goal. It's crazy. And with all this, I just wanted to make this little thank you video as a recap. What a journey this has been. I still remember the excitement when me, John, and my sister decided to travel for half a year. I remember the planning and when my sisters decided to join as well. And the whole process of planning everything and booking the tickets, and then we were finally doing it. This was the kind of lifestyle I've always dreamed of as a child. I first got the travel bug when my mom and grandparents would take me traveling around Norway and Europe, and I've been traveling for as long as I can remember. I always imagined myself growing up and having adventures all around the world, and I was just so excited that now we're actually doing it. And the most amazing thing was that I would be able to do this adventure with my family and my boyfriend. I couldn't believe it. I was ecstatic, but I was also a little afraid. Fortunately, as many as you saw, this experience was life-changing. I don't only mean the cool factor that we got to travel to a lot of cool places, but one thing that I never really mentioned in my videos before was that this was life-changing for my health. My health really benefited from all our travels. I might make another video about this topic. Let me know in the comments below if you would like to hear more about it. But to make a long story short, I had a tendency to get sick in Norway and also in New York. And I was a little nervous about traveling for 6 months and eating all kinds of new food and new bacteria and everything. But amazingly, I never got sick once. My sister got food poisoning once, but nothing happened to me and I never felt healthier. My skin had never been better, my stomach had never felt better, and I just felt rejuvenated the whole time. So all this made me realize that my health problems didn't need any pills or any doctors or any of that type of things. I basically just needed a lifestyle change, a climate change, and a diet change. Thank you so much. Thank you. I guess a lot of travel vloggers quickly become jaded with this whole lifestyle of traveling all the time. But for me, doing this for 6 months and moving back to New York really made me appreciate the time we had abroad. It made me realize how grateful I am for the time we had and how much I miss these places and how much I miss all the people we met. And of course, all the great food we got to eat. We just got here to Lemongrass Cafe, and this is the vegan food I ordered. Red vegetable curry, side of rice, hot sauce, and a pineapple juice. And this is my breakfast. It's gonna be way too much food, but I'm really excited. The then and the now contrast is a lot more sharp now in this time of the coronavirus pandemic. It made me think a lot, and I've been thinking about all the people we met on our trips, our incredibly nice host at our Airbnb in Guatemala, Mex, the guy that introduced us to all the good food in Guatemala.
Call me Mex because I'm from Mexico.
Mex, oh, I like that. He just gave us a lot of good vegan food and we're very excited to try it. And the really cool staff at Cafe Studio, the coffee shop right next to our apartment. It made me think about Ton, our Thailand island hopping guide. Hey! Only sharks? Yes. I'm looking for sharks.
There's more.
Yes. He was such a light of energy, and there's just so many people. I think about the people in the Philippines, all the locals we met, but also all the people in El Nido at Happiness. They made us feel so much at home, and me and my sister ate there almost every day. Hey, the best people ever! And Paul, our tour guide in Vietnam, who helped me and my sister plan everything. Without him, we would have had no idea what to do. And not to forget Bali, of course. I was there alone in the beginning, and the people at Kind Cafe really brought me, they really took me in, and it made me feel like family there for a month, and it felt really good to meet people like that and to feel safe in a country where you've never been. I really hope that all of you are doing well and that when this pandemic is over, I'll still see all of you guys. The last series from this time will be my Bali travel series, and I think I'll make 3 videos from that. Top 10 things to do in Bali, where to eat in Bali, of course, because it has the best food in the world, and how to travel Bali for a month. And I'm really excited for you guys to see that, and I hope you tune in and I hope you like them. Then I will spend some time documenting our lives here in New York. It's so much to film here, and it is the greatest city in the world, so I'm very excited to share all that with you guys. And then eventually next year we'll start traveling again and hopefully revisit a few of the places we already been, but also explore some new ones. And let me know in the comments below where we should go next year. I'm really excited to start traveling again. Thank you again so much for watching, and please remember to subscribe if you haven't already done that, and like and leave a comment. Like, I love to talk to you guys in the comments, and I love you guys a lot, and I hope all of you are safe and healthy out there, and I'll see you guys again in my next video. Bye!